Alright, so a quick project. Going to work on putting the exhaust back onto the Discovery. Not really sure what this is going to entail. Hopefully it'll be a pretty easy process. Alright, another thing I'm doing today, got the exhaust all glued up, but officially taking off the grill and these side pieces that go to the bumper underneath both of those. Now I painted one black already, but the top of it's still a little green, so I was gonna touch that up, and then I was gonna paint the other stuff too. I don't know if I have enough plasti dip for it, but hopefully I can, or will, or do. I'm gonna touch that up real quick. That'll paint. That's about as good as it's gonna get for right now. Boom, and they're all black. So I think it's gonna help clean up the front of the truck just a bit. So I'll throw in a before picture, and then yeah, I'll throw in that before picture again after I have them finished. But that's what it looked like with the green on there. Did not like it, was not a fan. And this is what it's gonna look like with the black. All right, that's with the grill on. Now I gotta put the other two pieces on. Looks better already. All right. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see with the light, but that's all painted black now. Ooh, that's kind of a little funky looking over there. Anyway, so that's all painted black now. It looks light years better. Actually makes it look like there's more bumper there.